Good evening, everybody. Bob at Two Pumps Breaks. It is Wednesday, August the 17th. We are breaking Bombox full-size helmets. Randomed up our 48 remaining box numbers. We just started the series tonight. We are box number 17. We did random team sales for this break on your left. Teams have already been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, nothing went down though. So here we go. San Fran is going to get our free spots. I don't know, guys, gotta see. And bam, going to be a Denver hit. We gotta see which one though, guys. There are two flashes in there. Now, well, going to be the Javonte Williams, folks. Young stud RB. Authentic Beckett Witness hologram. Well, we've come out of the gate with some of our middle stuff here. We're definitely due for a couple of big boys. Come on, camera, focus for me, please. There it goes. All right, well, that one's going to Hank. San Fran got our freebie. Wow, Hank with a double hit, our first double hit of the series there. Well, guys, I'm sorry about that. Hank getting on board there. All right, I'm very sorry, everybody else, guys, but that is going to wrap up that one. Coming out of the gate with some middle stuff, but we haven't found any of our big boys yet. So you know what's going to happen. We're going to end up going on a nasty roll there, guys. That is going to wrap up that one, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Love it.